Topic sentence. To back up your argument, you need to explain, but you also need
argument.
Evidence.
Oh.
Yeah. And L is loser.
It's a linking sentence. To link back your ideas.
My teacher did not teach me.
When teacher will get the chance, they will teach you this, okay?
This 1 day of tuition has taught me more than my 6 years of school.
Really? Nah. I'm just giving you a head, that's why, because your school's teaching it too slowly. So explanation evidence things like expert opinion. It could be statistics. But when you just don't get to do research, guys, then how are we going to get these stuff? We can't. So therefore, you have to use something called logical reasoning as evidence. Logic. You need to show logic as evidence to back up your idea. Got it, guys?
Okay.
Yeah? And that's how you're going to do it. So, I wrote the topic sentence already. Okay? Now I want you to back it up. I'll quickly read. Roald Dahl's book shows what happened in the past and what was believed. His books like Charlie and Chocolate Factory and Matilda can show modern audience what was happening in the time. Roald Dahl wrote these books. By changing your story, you can take away a chance to acknowledge the past. Rather than hiding and rejecting the past, we can tell that books help us see how society has changed over time. Perfect. It's very deep. Very good, Fiona. I like it.
The magic in Roald Dahl's books shows the whimsical imagination that Roald Dahl had. If you immerse yourself in his books and follow the story of the characters, you would see that their personality is filled with positive and negative things that makes the plots more and more interesting.
I like your idea. Really good argument. So Satine really explained it really well what makes Roald Dahl books so charming, because the characters have their own personality and they make it much more interesting to follow them when they have their positive traits as well as their negative traits. We can't remove all the negative traits. Very good. Yeah, how's yours?
If Roald Dahl removed sensitive words, it would not describe the characters in a fun way. It would just be like the fat boy.
Yeah.
Do you like that? I'll show you another one. The horrendous gluttonous fat boy. I bet the second one sounds better.
Very good explanation. Yeah, so Debbie did something really well. He actually explained to the reader what do you think about sad versus sad business boy. Yeah, and obviously the second one is a lot more interesting and engaging, and that's what makes our story so unique. Fiona, your turn.
Roald Dahl's books should be kept as an original, as the work in his books can expand imaginations and bring magic to our society. By changing the words, we will be able to acknowledge the precious work that Roald Dahl has written. Therefore, changing the iconic work will stop from contemporary viewers from getting the chance to fill their minds with Roald Dahl's magic.
Wow, Fiona Boy character sounds like a year 6 to me. So Debbie, Debbie and Satine, you're missing a linking sentence. So therefore, or
I
hence.
don't like the linking sentence.
So my favourite transition word is hence, therefore, or as such. You don't have to, but it just wraps up your idea very nicely, this transition word. Debbie?
Yeah.
You need one more sentence. Therefore, Dahl's descriptive words should be kept in its original form. To keep its magic, to keep its charm, to keep its essence, to make what's a truly Roald Dahl book. Okay? So my topic sentence is the one we all use.
This is because the special ingredient used by Dahl to improve his whimsical and humorous characters lies in the colorful and descriptive language.
Yeah, and then I have evidence.
For example, describing Miss Twitch as ugly and beastly creates a more dramatic image of Miss Twitch in the reader's mind.
In comparison, keep going.
In comparison, changing this description to just beastly would not create the same effect. Roald Dahl's characters are supposed to be
Exaggeration.
of personalities. Characters are supposed to
make the
story more engaging for young readers.
Yeah.
Hence, to remove these wonderful descriptions would be to take away the essence of Dahl's book.
So that's how you do explanation. So write introduction, you can use what you already written. Introduction, 3-bullet paragraph, and a conclusion. You can use the same argument as I've done, or you can use your own argument.
There's another fairy tale.
Wow,
By accident.
that's awesome.
I just wanted to write, so then I just
Yeah.
started writing. Can I read it?
Yes, of course.
If you change Dahl's books, you would be removing the magical world he has created for us. Overall, changing Dahl's books are not the answer unless you wanted to have this generation of kids having blind imaginations.
That is very deep. Blind imagination. I love that. Yeah, that's a year 6 level thinking. Yes, yes. You did the stick up. Like you. You're actually a very good thinker, Satine. You just need to write down.